Well, it's the best of all worlds. I get to co-sponsor legislation with Mary Landrieu and Amy Klobuchar, and Mary gets to answer all the questions. So, you know, the many things we've done over the years that I've been able to be part of in the Senate in the last 2.5 years that have impacted and discussed and brought light to adoption. I don't think there are any of those issues that Mary Landrieu hasn't been involved in and leading in, and I'm always pleased to work with her and with all the other co-sponsors that Mary's already mentioned. You know, the state government has some significant level of responsibility on adoption and does that well, and local courts do that well. I think some things in this bill encourage further movements in the right direction there, but particularly where it relates to international adoption, the federal government is the government that has to be, at some point, a significant facilitator of making that happen. There are 200 million orphans in the world today, and for 9 straight years, there have been fewer international adoptions by families in the United States than there were the year before, to the point that now we're at 62% lower than we were 9 years ago. So that number was a good point. It's on the way down, 62% lower than 9 years ago. What this bill does in that regard is really a number of things, but 3 of them I wanted to mention. One, it creates a focal point in the Department of State for vulnerable children. It specifically creates an obligation in the State Department to move forward and try to find solutions for vulnerable children. It secondly gives new responsibility to Citizenship and Immigration for processing international adoptions, creates a new set of responsibilities and opportunities for them to do that. And as Senator Landrieu said, we give authority to USAID that they currently don't have, and ability and flexibility to move forward on the 2012 goals that we've already adopted, the 2012 National Action Plan for Children in Adversity. If we could get those 3 things done, these numbers would look differently when we look at them the next time. Again, I'm glad to work with Senator Landrieu. Senator Klobuchar and I have been able to do a number of things together in this area as well, and I know that Mary and I are both glad that she's here.
Thank you.